Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Google Earth and creating a new project folder so points stay organized. Once done, gather your GPS list in decimal degrees or convert DMS to decimal. This avoids import errors. Make a CSV with columns, name, description, latitude, longitude, and save a backup. Now open the File Import or the Project Import button. Choose your CSV or KML. You're already importing the first set of points, so keep the project folder selected to drop them into the right place. Now focus on accurate mapping during import. Match CSV columns to name, latitude, longitude, and confirm the delimiter and header row. Once imported, inspect several placemarks visually. If points cluster far off, you likely swapped latitude and longitude. Fix and re-import. After verification, style placemarks for clarity. Choose icons, colors, and set altitude mode to clamp to ground or absolute for 3D. Also create subfolders to group types of points, which makes later editing, and finish by exporting your organized folder as KML or KMZ so icons and descriptions stay intact. KMZ packages assets into one file. If you need bulk edits, export to CSV or KML, make changes in a spreadsheet or text editor, then re-import into a fresh folder to avoid duplicates. If some points disappear or appear in the wrong place, check coordinate format, delimiter consistency, and whether lat/long columns were swapped. Also confirm placemark visibility is enabled. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common import issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.